So we picked a color. This is called Lady Nicole, and this is in the Farrell Calhoun paint brand. And it's a nice match for the white ceramics we've got in the bathroom, and it looks nice with the countertop, and it's kind of a neutral, so we can bring in any color towels and accessories with this. So we're not really going to commit to a green. This is kind of a neutral warm gray. So our contractor made some real headway on the tile. This area around the tub is all tiled in and finished, and the shower walls are complete except for the sides of the niche. And the reason that didn't get tiled is our contractor is using this square profile aluminum trim instead of using bullnose tiles, and there's a little bit different profile he wants to get to do the niche in. And so he's picked up a strip of that, and that will probably be the first thing he starts on today. He's also put a waterproofing material on top of the cement here, which of course there's a rubber membrane under that, so there should be no problems there. The niche, well, the back of the niche is tiled in, and we have a glass shelf up here above the niche, and the glass shelves that we're putting inside the niche, I kind of messed around with a little bit this weekend. I think this is where we're going to put them, one here and one down here. And so the thinking is you put your soap dish down here, and then you've got your shampoo and what have you in this space in between. And I measured the tallest shampoo bottle we have. That's plenty of room. And then there's another little cubby hole up here for storing things. And this little bit of drywall here is just temporary to hold the tile in place while it sets. So that's coming out of there. And everything will need to be grouted. The floor is the only thing that's been grouted so far. And we've got a 2 by 2 inch tile that goes on the shower floor. It's the exact same tile as this, it's just a 2 by 2 size. And we've got our marble cap that goes here, and will be a marble piece that goes here over the threshold, and those will match our vanity, the same fantasy brown marble. So that's the good news. The bad news is our contractor has another client, and she is very well to do and extremely demanding, and she can't make up her mind on things. And so she and her designer have been driving our contractor bonkers with changes and phone calls and changes and meetings and changes and disagreements and what have you. And so he's going to work on our bathroom until he can get it functional, and then he's going to have to go focus on her project and work on ours when he can. And so not too happy about that, but what can I do really? So we'll see how that pans out. Hopefully we'll get a lot done this week, and we'll have a functional bathroom by the end of the week. So last night I made a punch list of what needs to be completed. We'll see how this works out. Stay tuned.